Hey y'all, welcome back. Got lots to do today to finish this up. Okay, found these. I changed this. So if you notice, I took the silver off of the outside and I did it in the blue because I said that first and then I don't know why I went with silver. So I went with the blue. And just for grins and giggles, or giggles and grins, grins or giggles, hee hee ha ha, I decided that since this is going to get touched a lot, I decided to seal it, even though I know this is not meant to be a sealer. I decided to use Michelle's Glitz and Glitters Resin Restore, but I used it as a sealer. I just went over it lightly with that and just sealed that marker in there. So that way, you know, it won't come off, and it works and it makes it shiny. So there you go. Okay. Now let's get this on here. And by the way, I did order some of these. When I went on to Into Resin's website for this particular mold, you can buy these. They have them in 10 packs and 20 packs, I think. But I also found them on Amazon before the fact, and I ordered some on Amazon. They're the same price. So just depends, I guess, on how long you want to wait for them. So do I need my gloves on? Oh, I was making something else, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that too. So let me take these off so I don't need them right this actual moment. Okay, glue. Glue this on. And I'm just going to put it right on top of here. And I went around this with silver too. I took all of that off. And I'll show you what I use for that. Because you know how I use these Decor premium markers. They don't wipe off. You can't just wipe them off with alcohol. You have to literally take them off with something. And I know that some people say just use acetone. Well, I don't like acetone because it makes your resin sticky. So I have found something that you can take it off your resin with, and it doesn't hurt your resin, doesn't make it sticky, doesn't make it cloudy, doesn't anything. And that is this. It's Goof Off Pro Strength Remover. And it comes right off of your resin, doesn't make it sticky, nothing. Okay, we'll just let that dry. Okay, now I did change the ribbon on this. I didn't like the red, and so I found this ribbon, and I think that looks prettier. Now I was debating on whether or not I wanted to add anything else to this, like, you know, a bead or something, so I'm leaving that until later. Fred. I'm changing Fred's, because I like this Fred. He's already got his eyes, and I'm going to use this hat. We're not going to put the Santa hat on him. I mean, a suit. Look, I found a red bowl we're going to put on his tail. And then we're going to use these. And then I made something. And if any of you are around for Halloween, you know that I made lights for my trees, and I did it with UV resin. And so I thought that these would be cute hanging from there. And then we can wrap it around his thing. And yeah, so I thought this was cute. And we'll UV resin them to there. We won't duplicate them, but I mean, we can if we don't have enough, but I thought these would be a cute idea. So we could make, and this one's going on his hat. This is going on his nose. So I thought that these, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 5, 6, this would be the middle. So we could go, how many did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could go every other one. That's good enough. Obviously, I'm dumb and I don't know how to do math. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll just glue these on with UV resin, and then we'll use it as a garland. So let me get my little UV pin here. Oof. See? Isn't that cute? All right, I'll get the rest of these on here and then I'll be right back. Okay, wanted to show you this was dry and I got a ribbon on it. And I actually did get it on there right. Isn't that cool? Spins perfect. Got the ribbon on it. So there's that. That's done. Okay, Mr. Fred. So we are going to hot glue some of this because resin, UV resin doesn't do well with material. So I am going to, I think I'm just going to take his little fluff ball here and just glue it. So now, should I do this kind of a bow? Gosh darn it, come here. Or should I do, I've got 3 different kinds. We can do a red. That one seems a little big. We can do gold. Or we can do silver. Oof, I think silver is it. And I can take like a red pen and maybe go around the edge of it to make it pop a little bit more. Let's see what that looks like. I have more if we don't like it. Just the outside. Strings everywhere. Okay, let go. I absolutely love it. So there's my Christmas Fred. All I have left is these. We could put, yeah, I don't, didn't really want to have any of these left, but I suppose we could have some. Guess we could put it there, right on the ball. And there he is, Christmas Fred. Isn't he cute? Now, I didn't draw a face on him because I have never done that before, but he is very cute. So there you have it. There's my Christmas Fred. I gotta go through here and get all those strings off now. Very cute. I guess if you wanted to, you could add a candy cane. I mean, seriously. You could hang a candy cane off of his little antler, too. I mean, there's so many things that you could do. Oh, goodness. Adorbs, adorbs, adorbs. All right, y'all. Well, there's Fred. So we'll set him over there. He's done. Okay, now, I got a package today in the mail from Let's Resin, and shut this off before I burn myself. And it was or is the colored pearlescent UV resins. So I thought, perfect, we'll use that on these. And the colors I got, the colors that are in the box are orange, purple, pink, purple. Oh, there's two purples. Blue, light blue, green, red, and two whites. So I got out the white, the green, and the red. And so I thought we would actually, I didn't think they had a purple in there, so I got out the Tea Expert purple. So we're going to use the purple too. Cut this open. I looked at them all, but for some reason, purple did not calculate. So we're going to use these to finish up this tree. So the first thing we're going to do is fill these stars with purple. Okay, and then we're going to use the white to flock the tree. looks like they're reaching baby up to put the star on the top of the tree. So we're going to color that one gold or silver or something, since it's supposed to be going on the top, which is what I think they're trying to do. And I don't know why they don't have eyes. It's kind of weird. Okay, so we're going to use silver. And then we're just going to okay. Now we're going to put that white all over around the bottom. It's still a little sticky, but okay. Just a rough cure. And then I'm going to stick it underneath my curing machine, or my UV lamp, not curing machine. Get it cured real good. All right, let me get this under the curing machine, the UV curing machine, and then I'll BRB. Okay, y'all, I think we're done. So, cured. I did put eyes on them. Couldn't stand it. They couldn't be eyeless snowmen, for goodness sakes. It's bad enough that baby snowman doesn't have a nose. So this is all done. And it turned out cute. Like it. Fred, you're adorbs. Love it. I didn't find a bead for this, so this is done. I just changed the ribbon. That's all I did. This is done, and it spins perfectly. Put a ribbon on it. Done. So that is it. So basically, today was just to come back and finish this, but I decided to do Fred too, get this on, and voila, we're done. I will get pictures of the snowman tree and that. I will put new pictures of this. Look at that. That's still going. That means it's on there perfect. And you've already seen this, so I won't put pictures out there of that. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. Perfect ending to a perfect week. So there you have it. I will get pictures, put it at the end of the video. And yeah, so remember, stay curious, stay creative, always stay positive, and be kind. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Another week. All right. Bye, everyone. Have a great evening. Bye.